What is copywriting? Copywriting is the art and science of creating written content that persuades people to take a particular action, such as buying a product or service, signing up for a newsletter, or taking any other desired action. The purpose of copywriting is to engage and persuade the reader or viewer to take a specific action. Copywriting can take many forms, including website copy, advertisements, email marketing, social media posts, and more. Effective copywriting uses a combination of compelling language, persuasive storytelling, and an understanding of the target audience's needs and desires to capture their attention and drive them to take action. The goal of copywriting is to create a connection with the reader or viewer that motivates them to take the desired action. How to become a good copywriter? Becoming a good copywriter takes practice, skill, and a willingness to learn and grow. Here are some steps you can take to become a good copywriter. Study the craft. Read books, articles, and blogs on copywriting to learn the fundamentals of the craft. Learn the basics of persuasion, storytelling, and how to structure your writing to engage and motivate readers. Practice writing. Write as much as you can, whether it's for practice or for clients. Set aside time each day to write and experiment with different writing styles and techniques. Study successful copy. Analyze successful copywriting pieces and ads to understand what makes them effective. Study their headlines, hooks, and calls to action to learn from the best. Focus on the benefits. When writing copy, focus on the benefits of the product or service you're promoting. What problem does it solve, and how will it improve the reader's life? Focus on how your product or service can help your readers. Know your audience. Understanding your target audience is essential to crafting effective copy. Conduct research and create customer personas to better understand your audience's needs, interests, and pain points. Edit and revise. Good copywriting requires careful editing and revision. Review your work with a critical eye and make sure each word counts. Seek feedback. Get feedback from colleagues, clients, or industry peers. Use their feedback to improve your writing and grow as a copywriter. By following these steps and consistently practicing, you can develop the skills and knowledge needed to become a good copywriter. How to get orders on Fiverr of copywriting. Getting orders on Fiverr as a copywriter can be challenging, but here are some steps you can take to increase your chances of getting hired. Optimize your profile. Make sure your Fiverr profile is complete, professional, and showcases your writing skills. Highlight your experience, education, and skills relevant to copywriting. Offer competitive pricing. As a new copywriter on Fiverr, consider offering lower prices than more established competitors to attract clients. Create gigs that stand out. Create gigs that highlight your unique skills and experience. Use attention-grabbing titles, detailed descriptions, and high-quality images to showcase your services. Promote your gigs. Share your gigs on social media and other relevant platforms to reach a wider audience. Use keywords and tags to improve your visibility on Fiverr. Provide outstanding service. Deliver high-quality work on time and respond to clients promptly. Encourage clients to leave feedback, which can help build your reputation and attract more clients. Offer extras. Consider offering extras such as rush delivery, additional revisions, or a premium package to increase your earnings and attract more clients. Stay up to date. Keep up to date with industry trends and new writing techniques. Offer a variety of services and adapt to your clients' needs. By following these steps and consistently providing high-quality service, you can build a successful copywriting business on Fiverr. If you like my videos, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.